Hi guys, what's up? It's Nharendra Ram here. As you can see, I took the C model, you can say here, but they kept it A. I don't know the rest name. And this is the first time that is some new upgrades. This is from Sample Blocks from the. And the smell of this really Sample Blocks. Does it smell? It smells like cotton. Okay, Sample Blocks. I want some stickers here. Okay, Sample Blocks. Okay, this is confirmed supposed to be Sample Blocks, right? Yup, it is. Now, I think I need to ask one question. You want to do it? Let's lock in.
Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile a pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão. No batidão, só por dentro. Se ela desce, ela sobe, no baile a pressão. Linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile a pressão. Linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não bate com razão. No batidão, só por a noção. Desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão. No batidão, só já passou.
I've done it. It took me 2 hours to finish this small thing. But it's actually 261 pieces. I don't know. So let's go to the tour. Woo! We're back to the tour. Oh, not back. As you know, this car is super huge and cool. Okay, let's see. That was my sister's on it. Don't care. Okay, back. There's like a nice effect when it moves fast. That's like. That is so good. Oh shoot. Wait a minute. Where were we? I'm sorry. My car accidentally broke a few parts as you can back. As you can see, this is 264 pieces. It's so nice. Check out the stickers. Check the stickers out. Check the stickers out, bro. This is super cool. Wait a minute. Okay, where were we? There is a lot of cool stickers like this G-Race, this one, and lots more. Oh shoot, it broke again. Where were we? Again. Okay, these stickers are very cool. Okay, then I kept that box at the dustbin. So this is a sample block model, okay? I don't want to bring it cause it's at the dustbin. So that's all from me. Subscribe for more videos. If you like these cars, please subscribe. And if you like Legos, subscribe, like, and share. I know around you some people like Legos. I can feel you. And I know AK, you know. Bye. See you later. Peace out.